Yes, sir. So today we got this Pedal Commander unboxing and review for y'all. See, what happened was I was opening this side and I was like, oh, it's so hard to open. Let me show y'all on camera. So you see, I'm flipping it around. Look, man, I'm a manly man, bruh. Look, I'm a manly man. That's what I think I am. That's what I know I am. But, bruh, this. Oh, you gotta see. That's the problem. I'm pulling it. You gotta push it in. I think you push this in. See, no, I ain't. See, this side was. Oh yeah. See, you think. Yeah, there you go. You gotta push it through there. Okay, y'all. Reading is fundamental. That's what they tell you. So you open it up, you get the Pedal Commander, world's most advanced throttle control system. Yeah, Sirski. I've been waiting on right here. You dig what I'm saying? You get the box. You dig what I'm saying? Look at it. Pedal Commander. Okay. Take that thing out. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. So you get the, okay, yeah, see, this like the clip. So this is the actual throttle controller. I think this is where it plugged into the ECU, which I'm gonna have to take it on down to the Lexus and go ahead and install it for y'all. This is the inside of my Lexus ES350 at the pedal, because the Pedal Commander will be getting installed. And I just want to show you all what you're looking for when you get in here. So the brake pedal is here. The gas pedal is here, right? This is where you will want the Pedal Commander, here at the gas pedal. So what you're gonna do is take this connection here and remove it, okay? So I'm gonna try to get this as best as I can on camera of me taking this here connection, removing it, and installing it into the Pedal Commander. All right, everybody. So this part right here, you can see it here, is hard, to say the least, to get out. So camera died, so I'm back here. Look, Pedal Commander here, right? So I had to rip out, this is the factory connection, which I showed y'all, right? Took that out, put the Pedal Commander's connection in over here on the right side, and then put the factories into the harness. Now, what I have here is the Pedal Commander hair tie. Parts from my Tesla, but I just need to figure out where I want to place it. The Commander, I want to kind of have it right here, but then I don't want to have the wires on my foot, so I want to run them through this panel maybe. So let me see what I can do. So I had a few wires already from my Tesla screen, and I used the provided zip ties in the box from the Pedal Commander to connect the Pedal Commander to those wires, because I really like this placement. And so my finished product in the Lexus ES350 2011 is very clean. You see I have my OBD port for my torque light reader. I can do 0 to 60 timing with this compared to my previous times, which I will make a video on. And you see I just literally use the wire, taped it together, and got it to look super clean. I got it to look super clean. So yeah, my finished product, I'm super happy with it. Man, I got it to look super clean in here. Man, it looks good. And it's in a good spot for a driver to, I gotta hit my pedal, and then, I'm like, oh, I'm ready to go sport. So we'll go test it out a little bit later. Let me do a 0 to 60 with the Pedal Commander. I think I'm coming around a curve right here though. I'ma still go for it, fuck it. Traction off. Hold it for the full traction. way! My car feel, oh my, bro, a launch is dummy! Bro! I'm going for it. My best 0 to 60 is 7.3 seconds. You see it. Let's go. Damn. That was with the pedal half down. Too much spinning. Too much spinning. I took the traction off with the petty. Way too much spinning. Letting that 2GR sing. It's a beautiful sound. Gotta hold that thing around that corner. Oh my. Oh my. It's a beautiful sound. It's a beautiful sounding engine. Traction off. Oh boy, and Sport Plus is crazy. Oh boy. Damn. I love letting the intake talk to me. Oh boy. A rolling burnout? What the fuck? I told you this shit be lifted off the ground. Oh.
No, I'm done.
Oh shit.
I'm done,
Okay,
baby.
we gotta go Sport Plus. Cause the Sport mode.
What?
Yeah, we gotta go Sport Plus. Damn! The rolling burnout that Jay. Look, if you got a 5ES, keep your traction on. Keep your traction on.
Did you put it back on?
No, I didn't put it on. I'm going Sport Plus.
I'm scared.
Put that bitch in park, right? Give it a Sport Plus. Sport Plus 2. Cause I am in regular street traffic.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Damn!
Baby.
You got that on camera?
I did.
Oh my god!
Baby, no.
Oh shit!
No.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
No.
I'm spinning through gears.
I don't like this.
Damn!
Oh, this is the new dispenser I'm talking
Hold
about.
on, baby. Hold on, baby. I gotta fix this car to something reasonable.
Yeah, put that shit in city mode.
Sport mode, but not that. That shit was crazy.
Jesus.